Hello everyone, this is Jason. I'm from IQ Returnstar Technology. Our company has two brands, IQ and also the QNES. IQ, we're focusing on the smart classroom solutions and also the smart meeting room solution. And for the QNES brand, it's focusing about the smart campus solution, smart classroom solution with the centralized control and also audio video distribution and even for the live streaming management system. So now let's take a look about our solution related to the smart meeting room solution. As you can see, all of the products in here that included in the smart meeting room solution. So let's start with the wireless presentation system. So you can see we have the shared dongles here. If you connect it to your laptop and also with the IFPD, it can directly screen share to the laptop and also the IFPD. And also we have the AI cameras. This one, HY200. This is the AI camera focusing. We can realize the function of the auto tracking, auto framing, voice tracking, and also this one with the wireless speakerphone, conference room speakerphone. It can realize about to amplify the sound effect in your smart meeting room. And also we have more choices about the conference camera, such as like this one, smaller but with the 4K features. And then for the cameras, it can used in your smart meeting rooms, and it is really user friendly. And also with this one, the cover to protect the privacy, even in the conference room. Okay, so basically for the IQ Meet smart meeting room solution, it just included the conference room camera, conference room speakerphone, wireless presentation system, and many more electronic devices that can work with the interactive flat panel can create a solutions for you to transforming your old, the solutions, this meeting room into a smart one. So if you wanted to know more about our conference room solutions, welcome to go to our website, www.iqport.net. Thank you so much.